Stay alert and ready. The meaning behind stay on your toes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase that's both intriguing and useful: stay on your toes. This expression is packed with meaning and history, and understanding it can add a new layer to your English communication skills. So, let's get started and find out what it means to stay on your toes, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Stay on your toes is an idiomatic expression that means to remain alert and ready to respond quickly to any situation that may arise. It's a metaphor derived from the physical act of staying on the balls of your feet, ready to move at a moment's notice. This position is often associated with athletes or dancers who need to be ready to change direction or respond to their opponent's moves swiftly. The origin of stay on your toes can be traced back to sports and physical activities where being on the tips of your toes signifies readiness and agility. It symbolizes the importance of preparation and anticipation in not just physical but also mental and emotional aspects of life. Over time, this phrase has been adopted into everyday language to reflect a state of mental readiness and adaptability. Using stay on your toes in conversation is quite straightforward. It's often used as advice or a reminder to be prepared for anything. For example, in a work context, the market is really unpredictable right now, so we need to stay on our toes. In personal development, life throws many challenges our way, and staying on your toes can help you navigate them more effectively. It's a versatile phrase that can be applied in various situations where alertness and readiness are key. Stay on your toes is more than just a phrase. It's a useful piece of advice that reminds us to always be prepared for the unexpected. Whether in personal development, professional environments, or everyday challenges, being on your toes can make a significant difference in how we respond to the world around us. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and use of this expression, and we encourage you to stay alert and ready, no matter what life throws your way. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.